Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a light socket assembly in your double oven electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. If you're replacing the upper oven light socket, fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Remove the oven rack. Now unthread the light cover and unscrew the light bulb. Use a flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tabs to release the socket from the rear wall of the oven. Disconnect the wires to fully remove the old socket. Make sure the wires don't slip behind the rear wall. Install the new light socket assembly by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Now align the assembly and snap it into place on the rear wall of the oven. Replace the rack. Then reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. If you're replacing the light socket assembly in the lower oven, you will need to pull the range away from the wall. Then lift up the front of the appliance and support it in the center. Now unthread the two lower screws, securing the door retaining brackets to the frame. Open the door and unthread the upper screws securing the brackets. Rotate the hinge locks back. Loosen the brackets and use tape to help secure them to the door. Now partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Remove the oven racks. You can now replace the light socket assembly in the same manner as shown for the upper oven. With the new socket assembly installed, replace the oven racks. Support the front of the range, then reinstall the door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots. Reposition the retaining brackets and rotate the hinge locks forward. Rethread the upper screws to secure the brackets. Close the door and thread the two lower screws to fully secure the retaining brackets. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Restore power to the outlet or junction box and the electric range should be ready for use.